Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself wondering if a younger woman is giving you the green light for a kiss but felt uncertain about the signs? Today, we're going to reveal those subtle, often subconscious signals that she's dropping when she wants you to make a move. These cues can be hidden in her body language, the way she moves, or even the way she interacts with you. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a great piece of advice for effectively responding to these signs, enhancing your understanding and approach. Stay tuned for it. Before we start, anyone looking to revamp their dating approach? Click the link below for a free 60-minute strategy call with one of our coaches. Ready to become more perceptive and attuned to her unspoken messages? Let's jump in and uncover these signs together. 1. Flared nostrils. Let's kick things off with a subtle yet intriguing sign. Flared nostrils. It might sound a bit unusual, but this simple facial change can speak volumes about her feelings. When a woman's nostrils flare out slightly, it's often a sign of heightened excitement and anticipation. Why does this occur? It all comes down to the body's innate reaction to anticipation and arousal. A person's body may alter slightly when they are enthusiastic or eager in order to get ready for something physical. This can appear as a small flare of the nostrils in women. It appears as though her body is unconsciously getting ready for the private moment she is looking forward to. Since this reaction is instinctive and rooted in our physiology, it is a true and accurate reflection of her feelings. So, what does this mean for you? If you notice her nostrils flaring while you're in close conversation or during a romantic moment, it's a telling sign that she's feeling a heightened sense of excitement and possibly anticipating a physical connection. While it's just one piece of the puzzle, it's a subtle but telling sign that she's engaged and open to the idea of a kiss. Keep an eye out for this cue, especially when it's combined with other signals we'll discuss to gauge her true level of interest. 2. Touching. When it comes to deciphering her interest, playful touching, tapping, or physical closeness can be incredibly telling. This kind of contact isn't just about physical proximity. It's a strong indicator of her comfort level and attraction towards you. Let's break it down. When a younger woman touches you, whether it's a light tap on the arm, a gentle touch on the shoulder, or an affectionate brush against your side, it's often a sign that she feels at ease with you and enjoys your presence. This kind of touch is usually spontaneous and playful, rather than deliberate or forced, and it's a clear signal that she's comfortable being physically close to you. Greater interaction is especially revealing. She's not just at ease with you, but also shows enthusiasm in strengthening the bond if she keeps finding opportunities to make touch, playfully poking you while you're laughing or brushing against you while you're talking. Without using words, touch is a very effective way to express feelings and wishes. It shows a want for intimacy and a level of attraction that goes beyond friendship or light conversation. Additionally, the context matters. When the touching is frequent and occurs in moments of genuine connection and enjoyment, it's a positive sign. It means she's likely open to more intimate gestures, like a kiss. So if you notice her initiating or enjoying these touches, it's a strong signal that she's into you and ready for a closer, more personal interaction. 3. Lip movements. Let's dig into one of the most telling signs of all, lip movements. If you find her frequently licking, biting, or otherwise prepping her lips while you're together, pay close attention. These seemingly small actions can carry a lot of weight when it comes to understanding her intentions. When a woman starts engaging in lip-related behaviors such as subtly licking her lips, nibbling at them, or even smoothing them with her fingers, she's often subconsciously preparing for a potential kiss. This is a form of what's known as subconscious grooming. Just as someone might adjust their appearance before a big event, she's prepping her lips, signaling her readiness for a more intimate connection. These movements are not random. They are part of an instinctive process where she's making sure her lips are as appealing as possible, indicating that she's thinking about and potentially anticipating a kiss. This kind of behavior often aligns with other signs of interest and can be a powerful cue that the moment is right to make a move. If you're seeing her lips getting this kind of attention, it's a clear indication that she's likely ready for a kiss. 4. Eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most telling signs of attraction. Her eyes are very telling when it comes to determining whether she wants to take things further. One of the best signs of sincere attention is persistent eye contact. She is obviously very interested in you if she is fixing her stare on you and maintaining it. It's about making more of an impression with you than just staring at you. But there's more to it. Watch for those subtle cues like dilated pupils. When someone is excited or attracted, their pupils tend to widen. It's an automatic response, revealing that her body is reacting to your presence in a very physical way. And don't overlook those fleeting glances at your lips. If you catch her looking at your lips while maintaining eye contact, it's a strong signal that she's not just thinking about kissing you, she's visualizing it. These glances are often unconscious, a way for her to show that she's ready and waiting for you to make the move. So, if her eyes are locked on you, pupils dilated, and occasionally drifting to your lips, you might be just moments away from the kiss she's been hoping for. If you're enjoying today's video and feel inspired to take your dating life to a new level, don't just watch, take action. Our free 60-minute strategy call is designed specifically for individuals like you who want to build meaningful connections. During this session, you'll discover personalized strategies to meet more women, boost your confidence, and make every date count. Tap into the expertise of our seasoned coaches by clicking the link in the pinned comment now. Let's transform your dating life together. 5. Leaning in. Let's explore a strategic move known as the Wove 1 approach. This technique is all about gauging her comfort level by gently closing the physical distance between you. It's a subtle but effective way to test if she's ready for a kiss. Here's how it works. As your conversation progresses and you feel that the moment is right, start by leaning in just a little closer. This isn't about making an aggressive move, but rather about gradually reducing the space between you. Pay attention to her reaction as you do this. If she leans in to meet you halfway or maintains the same level of engagement despite the proximity, it's a strong indicator that she's comfortable with and even welcomes your closeness. Her willingness to stay close shows she's open to further intimacy and could be signaling that she's ready for a kiss. On the other hand, if she pulls away or seems uncomfortable, it might be a sign that you need to slow down and reassess the situation. The Wove 1 approach helps you navigate the delicate dance of romantic advances with greater confidence. By observing her response to your closeness, you can better understand her readiness and avoid any awkward moments, making your next move much more successful. 6. Synchronization of signals. When it comes to reading the signs that she's ready for a kiss, it's crucial to remember that it's not just about spotting one signal, it's about seeing multiple signals in perfect harmony. Think of it like a symphony. Each sign plays a part, and together they create a clear and harmonious message. Instead of focusing on a single cue, observe how several signals come together. For example, if she's giving you steady eye contact, her pupils are dilated, and she's leaning in while touching her lips, these are all pieces of a puzzle that, when aligned, clearly indicate she's ready for a kiss. It's the synchronization of these signals that really tells the story. One sign alone might not mean much, but when combined with others, it creates a definitive picture of her interest and readiness. By looking for this combination of cues, you can avoid misreading the situation and ensure that your move is both confident and well-timed. It's all about seeing the full picture before making your move, ensuring that you're in sync with her signals and that the moment is truly right. Bonus tip: preparing for the perfect kiss. Let's talk about how to make sure your kiss is as enjoyable as possible. The key to a great kiss isn't just about timing, it's also about preparation. Nothing kills the mood faster than bad breath. To keep your breath fresh, carry a pack of gum with you. I highly recommend the Confident Gum. It's not just any gum. It includes xylitol, which helps reduce plaque buildup, and other FDA-approved ingredients found in top toothpastes. Pop a piece in before you make your move to ensure your breath is minty fresh. Chapped or dry lips can be a major turnoff. To keep your lips soft and kissable, carry a tube of lip balm. Burt's Bees is a great choice. It's affordable and effective, keeping your lips hydrated and ready for that perfect kiss. Keep one in your pocket or car so you're always prepared. So now you know signals women give when they want a kiss. What's next for you? Discover the art of subtle flirtation, or learn what you can do to turn younger women on. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.